Hey, this is Yvette with Vanderbrink Auctions, and we are here moving some of the last cars at the Son of Master Garage Collection Auction that is going to be this Saturday, 10 a.m., live and online. Gates open at 8 a.m. We are at 3825 Grape Street, and this is a 1969 Roadrunner convertible. Only 2,126, if I believe is correct. Roadrunner convertibles were made in 1969. This is a 383 car. Is more of a silver blue metallic. This is an automatic car. And this will be right towards the beginning, so make sure to be on time. And that's Denver, Colorado. And that will be the Son of Master Garage Collection Auction. Go to vanderbrinkauctions.com for catalog, online bidding, and more auctions. See you at the auction.